Hi Lovelies! Today we're giving you cute little DIY dolls to make with your little ones for your little ones. Start wrapping your thread around the cardboard scrap. The cardboard should be the length you want your doll to be. Slide it off the cardboard scrap once you have the desired thickness. Snip the end. Now you have all the threads at the same length. Repeat the same again with a different color, but not so thick this time. This is for the hair. Make do if you want thicker hair and as a result a better ponytail. For the head, preferably use a wooden bead of any size. Well, not any size, you don't want a big-headed doll. This project gives off a feeling of simplicity and coziness. Comb out the hair if you feel like the strands are not cooperating. Get cotton cord for the arms and legs. Looking enchanting already. Again, use a comb to fix the strands. Tie a gold string a few times around the middle for the waist. Don't leave the ends there just hanging. Tie knots on ends. Totally adorable. Use the same cord you did the arms with for the legs too. Looking forward to making a bunch of more colors. We want a whole collection of these lovelies. Now use what's left of the gold string to make the doll a headband. Start a simple 3-strand braid. It's all about details. Experiment with different accessories if you're in the mood. And watch out, doll making can be addictive. Isn't this the cutest? Happy crafting!